Alright, the scene is sound effects. This time, Royce will be finding the sound effects, and me and Colson will be doing the scene. The scene is, we're on a hunting trip.
Well, Clem, you got your stuff?
Yeah, I think so. Hold on, let me check to see if this stuff works. Wow! Oops! Sorry, Chester! You guys kind of killed the wrong person. Hold on. Let's see, here's the pistol. Let's see if this works. Boing! Run, pistol! Why'd you pack me that?
I'm sorry, man.
Boom!
Okay, that's the right one.
Whoa, that's a powerful pistol.
Okay. Okay, filling all my guns and stuff.
Boing, 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 boing. Oh, you got the radio on. My bad.
Thank you. It was scared away the animal thing. Wait.
Oh, I just got shot in the arm.
Oh, I got a grenade. Okay. Okay, I get my big shotgun out.
Wrong shotgun, you idiot! Get a shotgun!
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, I got stuff. Okay. Okay.
I got a pistol on!
Okay.
Sorry, turtle! You know, I thought those shells was a hole for like 300 pounds. What's that?
Wait, okay. See the clearing? A white-tailed deer. Fuck. 200 points. Shoot it.
Okay, I got it. Ready? Here's my sniper. Boom! Bark! Bark! That was a dog!
You got a hunting dog! Okay. Okay. Alright, let's run. Okay, we got away from it.
Wait, I got a knife to this kills him.
Oh my god! It's a bear. It's a bear. Okay. Oh wait, that's Roy.
Oh, man, why'd you have to scare us like that? Jeez. Wait. Come on, make sure it's really Roy.
Okay, let's go.
Make sure if I step on him, maybe it'll make a sound.
I guess not.
Because he's dead. Listen, buddy. Anyway, okay, back to the hunting trip.
Okay. Okay, I see something in the air. I'm gonna shoot it. Wait, what are monkeys doing in Georgia?
I don't know, that's weird. Gosh.
I'll fire a second shot. See if I hear something rustling in a tree.
Wow.
Well,
That was kind of...
that didn't work. What?
Oh, look, it's George W. Bush. Hey! Man, you gave me the secret American gun. There you go.
Oh my god.
Oh,
My face is bleeding.
oh crap.
What's chaining along?
What happened?
Oh my god.
What happened?
I'm gonna lose.
What happened? What happened? Boom. Oh crap. You got shot in the stomach. I'm still alive though. Boom. No, I'm not.